Filtronic designs and manufactures products that transmit, receive, condition and manage radio waves, particularly at microwave and millimetre wave frequencies. Mission-critical communication networks depend on our systems and components. Combining experience and an innovative culture, we provide creative solutions for highly complex RF challenges. Our products are integral to a range of challenging applications, including mobile telecommunications infrastructure, defence and aerospace, and emergency first responder communications. Our manufacturing teams thrive on challenging products where the solutions we produce push the boundaries of RF electronics and materials. Producing precision components to client specifications in our 24-hour production facilities, we offer contract manufacturing services in both the UK and USA. Providing cost-effective manufacture for both volume and high-mix products. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities deliver best practice quality as standard. We offer a wide range of rigorous testing procedures for complete reassurance. All processes are supported by our in-house leading manufacturing engineers and process engineering teams. We remove cost from our clients' operations, reducing labour costs and improving processes by removing waste. We also reduce time to market, giving our clients the flexibility to ramp up and down rapidly, improving quality all without any additional overheads or purchasing capital equipment.